Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the Tech Stream. In this video, I am going to show you another Android 12 custom ROM which is known by nameless AOSP, and if it is stable enough to be used as a daily driver on OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus 9R. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. As you can see, I have installed Nameless, which is an Android 12 based custom ROM on my OnePlus 8T. If we go to the About section, you can see that the Android version is 12 and the ROM is Nameless AOSP. I'll just show you what all you can expect from this ROM. First of all, the ROM is super stable and responsive. I'm using it as a daily driver for the last 1 week or so, and I have faced no issues, no lags and no frame drops. All the basic functionality works amazing. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, VoLTE, calling and everything just works flawlessly. The fingerprint sensor also works fine. It is a little slow as compared to Android 11 ROMs, but it does the job. However, there is no Face Unlock available currently. Actually, Face Unlock is not available on any Android 12 ROM for now. Moving on, since this is an Android 12 ROM, it supports all the amazing features from Android 12, which includes Material You theming, newer UI and animation, US and notification panel, one-handed mode, and all the pixel specific features. And each of the features just works without any problems or any issues. Safety net also passes out of the box in this ROM, and all the banking and payment apps work fine except Axis Bank, which for some reason closes as soon as I try to open it, and this happened on all Android 12 ROMs that I've tried. The Widevine security level is N1, so that means you will be able to stream HD content on Netflix and other streaming sites. Now talking about the camera, the ROM comes with OxygenOS camera and gallery app. And yes, OxygenOS camera is fully functional and all the camera modes just work perfectly. Just for the ultra wide lens, you need to disable ultra wide lens correction in settings, and after that the ultra wide lens will also work without any problem. I'm very excited to see OxygenOS camera is ported successfully to Android 12 ROMs. Soon all other ROMs will start including OxygenOS camera in their builds. Moving on, another good thing about this ROM is you can play BGMI at full 90 FPS on this one without any issues. You can see the FPS meter here at the top shows 90 FPS. Comment down if you want a full gaming review on this ROM. Talking about the battery backup is also good and there is no considerate drain as such. On average I am getting 6 to 7 hours of screen on time. Now let's talk about the customization options that are available on this ROM. You will not find another section just for customization as you see on other ROMs, but it still has a lot of features to offer. So most of the settings are under the display section. First up we have lock screen settings, under which you get media art options, FOD, ambient lighting and other lock screen gestures. Now further down in the display settings, there are options for selecting minimum and maximum refresh rate. Under that we have network indicator settings and some quick settings options. Moving further down we have status bar options and we can also change clock and date settings from here. And finally we have some theme and font options. All the notification settings are under the notifications tab, where you get options to play with heads up notifications and other in-call options. We also have device extra or OnePlus settings, where we have options like DC dimming, auto high brightness mode, Dolby Atmos, ambient display gestures, FPS overlay, touchscreen gestures, touch sample and system vibrator strength. I know the features are not organized in a single place, but this ROM does provide a lot of options to play with. I really like this ROM as it is super stable and it also has OxygenOS camera fully working. It has a decent amount of customization options and I can play BGMI at full 90 FPS on this one too. So you can have a taste of Android 12 with a stable experience with this ROM, and there is a lot of development still going on. So you will receive a lot of new features and updates very frequently, and a big thanks to the developer for all their hard work. I'll recommend this ROM to everyone who wants to have a stable and responsive ROM with OxygenOS camera. Comment down if you want a video on how to install this ROM on OnePlus 8T. Also, I make a lot of ROM reviews and I'll be trying other Android 12 ROMs such as Dogfest and Proton. So subscribe to the channel to not miss those videos. Thank you for watching.